Okay, so let me show you very quick about my YouTube short revenue on both my Vietnamese channel and my English channel. Okay, so this is my Vietnamese channel, and let's click revenue, and you can see here content performance. So this is my long form video revenue, and this is my short revenue. So this is the number on my Vietnamese channel, 0.16. Okay, and this channel got 15,000 views for my short. And let's go to my English channel. Okay, and go to analytics and go to revenue, and this is my long form video. It is more than $700 US, and this is for short, and this is the number on my channel, 0.71 US dollar, and this is the number for last 28 days. And you know, this view is 39,000 views from short. Revenue per 1,000 views is 0.02. Okay, so that is the real number of my short revenue.